Now I'm just going to show you floating action button. So it's something like this. As you can see, when you're just going to click on here, this plus icon, it's coming up. And if I click on again, and it's going to this previous position. To do that, you just need to start it from here. As you can see, start from here, this page, and you will get to see two of these component here. That's not component, this frame right now. So what you need to do, you need to check here this both of this file, that like how we just mainly organize this file, because a lot of if you want to do this from scratch, then you will not face any kind of problem. Okay, so all right, so let's select both of them and let's click on here and create a component state. Now let's go here, this prototype, and let's simply go here, this plus icon, and simply link to the next one. So it's something smart animation and like ease out. Again, just go here and click on this button, and as you can see, it's going to be same. And now I'm just going to take in a frame, and also let me drag and drop here this component. And if I see here this preview, as you can see, it really works fine.